I did 4 splits 5 days ago, and I'm using the David Tarpey method of on day 5, go back. If you find any capped queen cells, remove those because those come from older larvae. So I'm about to check my second split and see what we got. So I don't see any queen cells hanging off the bottom here, so I can move that. But these are emergency cells. They may not be hanging off the bottom. But I did want to check before I move this top box. So the brood nest is on this side of the box. That's where I expect to find some queen cells. So I'm going to give myself a little room. I'm going to give them a little smoke. I don't mind getting a bee in my hair, but I hate it when they crawl in my ear. Okay. So that's just pollen and brood. But I see the way this brood is up near the top of this frame. So that tells me there's brood on that frame. Another thing it tells me now I think about it was I didn't make a split in this box. So I'm going to close it back up. I'm in the wrong hive. What do you think we're going to see queen cells on the bottom of this one? So I don't see any, but there's a lot more bees down here. Should I give those a look? Lots of pollen. You can see the red pollen from the henbit that's been coming in recently. Lots of drones. That's good. Only a healthy colony makes drones. well, mostly. Colony that's on its way out. Last ditch effort will make drones, but it's not what's happening here today. Okay, there's a nice queen cell right there, but they're still going in and feeding it, so I'm not going to destroy that one. How about this side? Don't see any on this side. I like the way the pollen's all around there though. That's nice. What do we got? Drone cells, brood, don't see any queen cells. Okay, lots of drones, no queen cells, no queen cells. So I'm going to leave that one. I'm not going to destroy my last queen cell. It may not be my last one. We haven't looked upstairs yet. This queen was marked red number 60. She's 2 years old, hence the color red. I got her from Sue Kobe's breeding program at Washington State. She's a Carniolan, and a lot of my bees are Carniolans. They build up a little more slowly, but they're really good with mites. This hive had 2 mite checks last year. One was 0 out of 300, one was 1 out of 300. And as you can see, they're relatively gentle. Yep, no queen cells, just they're barely just started drawing out the wax. But if there's going to be any action, it's going to be on this next frame. Okay, so I don't see any queen cells here, but there are queen cells on this side right here, and neither one of those are capped, so we're going to leave those alone, and we're going to put it back together. According to Dr. Tarpey, there's about a 75-85% chance that the larva the queen is made from is going to be suitable. It's going to be just the right age. It's only that 20-25% chance she might be older. But you know it's worth looking, because usually how things go in the hive is directly related to how good your queen is. And we're done.